Samay correct, Puvarsa correct, and Anvi correct. So Tanish, you can speak the second answer.
Sir, 2:3.
Yes. Next. So we know how we do this or no?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the second term in the A part can be in fraction or decimal.
Yes. Correct, Samay. So Ray and Anvi answers are correct, but write in the ratio form for your
Okay.
exam. All right, Kuvar and Tanish, quickly check your answers from here. This is the first answer, and this is the second answer. Okay. Next question is Versa, it's correct. So Ray, you probably made a mistake in calculation. So when you will do 3x, 5x plus 7x equal to 60, 12x will be 60. So x will be 5. So 5 into 5, 25, 7 into 5, 35.
Then I wrote that only.
You wrote 20.
Oh, sir, because I have calculated 25, so
Okay. Next example 4. Eleven.
sir, we have to do example 4.
Yes, Ore. We have to do example 4. So, and what's my answer? Yes. So, Ore, please note down the question. Beta, please be on time from next time. Okay. So, do 8th and 10th question together. Kumarsa, both questions together, beta, please.
Yes, sir.
And your answer is wrong as well.
Yes, sir. I by mistake typed it. I was writing it in my copy by mistake.
And your answer is wrong also, beta. Corrected also next
Yes,
time.
sir. I know. I was trying to do the calculation.
Gore, how did your test go?
Sir, the paper?
Yes.
Sir, it went well.
Then why you have not got full marks? Anvi, is that the answer for both questions?
So my only one answer is right.
So, Mr. Ray,
Yes, sir. Sir, sir.
speak your answer, Mr. Ray.
The eighth one is 29 is to 19, and the 10th one, so that will be 3 is to 2. Again, it's the same.
So 3 is to 2. So your both answers are not matching. So the eighth one, see, ratio of 5 by 8 are boys. So 5 are boys and means 5x are boys and 3x are girls. So the
Yes.
ratio will be 5x over 3x, which is 5 by 3.
Hmm.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Now next, Erica and Rachel share a sum of money in the ratio 3 is to 2. If the sum of money is doubled, so see, initially it is 3x and 2x, correct? So let's say 3x plus 2x equal to y, where y is the actual sum of money. So then what happens? We double it. Now this is going to remain 3x only, plus Rachel's money is equal to 2y. 2y is equal to, what is y equal to? 5x. Correct? So
Yes.
3x plus r is equal to 10x. R is equal to 7x. So they should divide it in the ratio, which one? 3 is to 7.
Yes, sir.
So I will explain again. Let the total money be y. So y will be equal to 3x plus 2x equal to y, implies y equal to 5x. Now they are saying the money gets doubled. So this will become, and Erika should get the same money. So 3x plus Rachel's share should be equal to 10x. So Rachel's share should be equal to 7x, because Erika's share will remain the same. So everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Samay, you did the same thing?
Yes, sir.
So since you guys made a mistake, do the ninth and 11th one. I was actually thinking of skipping ninth, but since we made mistakes, so the reward of mistakes is more work. Do you guys like the reward? So does the school shares the plan like how many chapters are going to come?
No, sir.
Because this book is going to be with you for 11th and 12th. So probably they will do 8 chapters in this year from 14. 8 or 9 chapters. So probably 4 or 5 chapters should come in your exam. Sami, is that a typing mistake in the first answer?
Sir, I'll just check one.
And Kuvarsa and Ori, send your answer. Rest kids can do. Wait. First we are doing 9 and 11. Then we will be doing 12 and 14 I think is not required. So I will go down.
Yes, sir. Sir, it was a typing mistake.
Alright, everyone got it right. So reward helps. We are doing 12 and 15, guys. Any problem, kids? Oh, Ray, you got the easiest question wrong. I was thinking to skip it.
Which one? What happened? Mm,
Yes, your second answer is correct. Rame and Kuwasa. Kuwasa, should I explain any question?
No, sir, 15 question I'm already like almost
What is the 12th answer?
so, 6.
6. So, Ore, beta x upon 3 is equal to 12 upon x. So, x square equal to 36, x equal to 6 if I am taking the positive value. If I am taking the negative value also, then it will be plus minus 6. Got it, Ore? So, Kuvarsa, what's my 15th answer?
So 300 grams.
Yeah. So, everyone do the 17th one. So, Resh, is the 16th one similar? वो तो करने की जरूरत नहीं है,
no,
or we should do it.
it's quite similar in physics.
It's similar only.
May I use the question?
What's up, beta? You okay? Come back quickly. All right, Tanish. So cosine and should I explain?
Yes, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir,
so
just a minute, sir. Is the answer for the A part 8:3?
yes. Okay, you got it. So, and whenever you get questions like this is A is to B. You are having 4 is to 1, and this is B is to C is 2 is to 3. So you make them same. So how can you make them same? By writing this as 8 is to 2. This you understood? Now your A is to B is to C is 8 is to 2 is to 3. So if you have to write A is to C, it will be 8 by 3. And now you can simply add the ratios and solve it. Understood?
Understood, sir.
So just circle this question in your book whenever, like, if you have the book right now, you can circle it right now also. Everyone do example 1. First exercise over. So Ore was late, otherwise we would have, completed the second exercise also. Right, Ore?
Sir, I'm not able to hear you properly.
So Kuvar is saying you got late, otherwise we would have, completed the second exercise also. Who is this fellow who doesn't understand the difference between 1 and 100? Anish, beta, use your glasses. This is centimeters.
There's another round.
So Ray, can you speak your answer?
Yes, sir, I'm doing good once again. It says it 1.75.
Yeah. So guys, when if you notice one thing, Ore, keep your camera on. So if the length of the wire is increasing, my cost will increase. If the length of wire decreases, my cost will decrease. So if one thing increases, second also increases. This is called a case of direct variation. What is it called? Direct variation. Now there is Tanish, are you clicking my picture, beta? So now, like, there is one more like way of solving questions with direct variation. In that, you will not get confused. Like you have to multiply, divide. You can be blind and get the answer. Should I explain that? because in this you might have done it in your previous classes, because in this book they have not explained that method. So I will explain that. Simply we write, first of all, in direct variation the ratio is constant. Means if you take one thing as x, second as y, so x by y will always be constant. So in the case of direct variation, their ratio, their division, or x by y will always be constant. So then we have length, and which is 2 meters. So Samay, you are showing good magic, beta. And the cost is $10 for 2 meters. So next time I have 35 centimeters, of course, it will be 0.35 meters. Or conversely, I can, just write this as 200. Let me write this as 200 because the units need to be same. So 200 centimeters cost will be what? It is $10. I can write 10. And next time I have 35 centimeters and I need to find the cost. So their ratios are going to be same. So 200 upon 10 is equal to 35 upon x. So x will be 10 into 35 divided by 200. You will get the same answer, 1.7. So this way, if you write it like this in a tabular form, there is no need to think. You can do this also. X upon 35 is equal to 10 upon 100. Directly you can do this also. The ratio of x is to y or y is to x is going to be constant. It is not going to change. Did we understand? Now one question I want you to solve using this method, just to be sure that you have understood. So we can do which one? We can do 1 and 2 questions 1 and 2. So try using my method, guys. इसके बाद आपको नहीं अच्छा लगे तो आप अपना यूज कर लेना. But if you get a question wrong, then you better see what will happen. And guys, there will be a penalty for all of you for getting questions wrong in your school exam also.
Sir, I've sent both of my answers.
Yes, Samay, you did by this method only.
Yes, sir.
Samay, can you show that trick that you are doing with your pen? I'm pinning you. Just can you show that? What do you do like this?
Sir, it was nothing, sir.
Nothing. Vanish, beta, make sure you write the units. So what's the benefit of using this method? You don't have to think कि multiply करना है, divide करना है, क्या करना है. You can, just give rest to your mind and, just write it tabular way and, we'll get the answer. Ray, did you like this method?
Yes, sir. I think so, sir. We did this before in school also. So it is very familiar.
Ursa and Ore, your second answers are wrong. So let me explain that. So you have earning and days. So earning is 140 in 5-day week. So in 5 days. And you have to find the earning in 3 days. So x upon 3 is equal to 140 upon 5.
Is it the answer already 84? I write the answer wrong.
3. Oh, I did it ulta. 140 into 3 upon 5. So this is $28.80, of course. So Ore and Kovers understood.
I understood. I mistake type the answer wrong.
Mr. Ore has been disconnected.
Sir, can we straight away do 5x is equal to 140 into 3?
Beta, that you can do.
Yes, sir.
या अच्छा you want to multiply but आप ना next method भी आएगा वो भी multiplication का है so it's better to
Okay.
write it write one more step so that you don't make
Okay.
mistake otherwise it's everything is fine so it will give clarity to the examiner also what you have done Ore your answer was wrong so please see if you have understood this Mr. Ore is having a bad network
Yes, sir.
Ore did you understand can you unmute and tell us if you have understood
Yes, sir.
sure should I explain once more
Sir, but like I divided by 7.
why 7
Sir, because it is like weeks and then for
So it
1
is
week and
5-day week, means she's working 5 day.
oh,
You want
okay.
your, father to work 7 days a week.
No, sir, I thought it is like 5 weeks.
You want your parents to work non-stop for 5 weeks, better. All right, do the next question. So once you get used to 5-day week, you cannot work in 6 days week in a place where where it's 6 days. People get used to, people adapt with things, whatever they get, they, quickly adapt to that luxuries or that benefits
Sir, it was wrong, sir.
So Ray and Ore.
Here I'm just sending. So is this correct?
So guys, you send me 6.4. So you should convert that 0.4 into minutes by multiplying by 60. So you will get 6 hours 24 minutes. Got it? So and now this is a case of inverse variation. Like when the number of workers increase, the time taken decreases. Speed increases, the time taken decreases. Then if people increase, food, water supplies, what happened to them? They decrease. So they decrease. So this is inverse variation. In the case of inverse variation, x into y, the product is constant. The product is constant. Please make a note of it if you don't know. In direct variation, x by y or ratio is constant. Whereas in inverse variation or indirect variation, what is constant? The product is constant. All right, got it? So hope you guys like my drawing also. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir. 10 on 10.
Yes. So good night, guys. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.